In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you the different types of styling that can be used to differentiate between pages and parts of your page. So far in this course, we've used exclusively styling in external style sheets, which is really probably the best practice because it enables you to control multiple pages, in fact entire sites all at one time, and is more economical, and also allows for faster loading of pages with just content themselves rather than pages having to load style as well as HTML in one page. However, there are times when you will want to use different types of styling to style specific pages or parts of a page. These other types of styling are referred to as embedded styling and inline styling. So all told, you have three different ways of managing styles in your web pages: external style sheets, embedded styling, and inline styling. So on this page, I've gone back to my original index page that we created in the first week. And you can see I have a default font style here for my page and my menu items and so on and so forth. Now, if I wanted to change, for example, my About Me page to be different and to use a different font than this font that's being used by default here, I could go to this page and I could say, well, I don't want this page to pull the paragraph or the font style from the external style sheet. So if I wanted to make this page look different from the rest of the site, I could add styles directly to this page and only to this page using embedded styling. To do that, I simply go to Create New Rule, and I'm going to go directly down here to the Style panel, click on the page with the plus symbol, and it suggests that I'm trying to style container content P. Well, actually, I'm just going to go straight for P as a HTML tag, so a straight HTML tag element here, P for paragraph. And here's what I do though. Rather than putting the rule inside the external style sheet that we've been using all along, I'm going to click on the pop-up menu here and say this document only. And I click OK. And you notice on the left-hand side of the page over here that the code view shows us that a P style or CSS style area has opened up here in the head section of my document. So all I would do is go to type, and I'm going to choose from the font family here. I'm going to choose, rather than this serif font that's default, I'm going to choose a sans serif Arial Helvetica sans serif family and click apply. And you can see now that style has been applied to this page. And I might choose 12 pixels instead. Maybe that's a little bit small. Click 14 pixels. And so I've created a new paragraph style that you can see over here in the code view window in Dreamweaver. It's actually put the CSS directly into the head of the HTML page. And this will override or overrule, if you like, the external style sheet. And then I click OK. And so now my text is different on this page than on this page. On my About Me page, I have embedded styling, embedded CSS directly into the head area, and that is overruling the external style sheet styles that we've been using so far. And then the last type of styling is inline styling. So, and that is simply if I selected a part of this, so let's say I select this line of text and I go directly to the property inspector down here in at the bottom of Dreamweaver, and I was to choose bold, then it puts the strong tag immediately around the actual text element itself in the HTML. So inline styling is as close as you can get to actually directly styling the element. You can see it's put it in there, and inline rules override not only external style sheet rules but also embedded rules. So as a general CSS concept here, keep in mind that the closer you are to the element, the more of a priority that rule takes. So externals default, embedded overrides external, and then inline overrides embedded. So those are the three types of styling, and please take the time and experiment with this and see how these different rules can be applied in different contexts.